Hi everyone, I'm Prasanna. So this is a FarmMindAI, an autonomous precision agricultural agent that helps farmer detect weeds and pesticides from satellite imageries and automatically plans drone treatments to fix them. So let me show you how it works. Uh, so let me enter in Google. So this is our homepage. The farmers can ask, or like the user can ask anything about their field here. For example, if they ask what is happening in field B, the agent pulls the latest data from MongoDB and gives a complete status update with an actionable recommendation. So let's go to the next section. It's an important section like a field scan. So this is where the magic starts, where the user opens in a Google map and either uses their current location or clicks anywhere to drop an pin on their phone. When they confirm the location, the agent automatically fetches the satellite images from Google Maps and send it to the Gemini AI for analyze. And Gemini looks at the image pixel by pixel and detect exactly what is wrong. So if it is identifies or identities weeds, spices like amaranthus and pesticides like any pesticides and estimate the affected area in the acres and assigns several levels. All this gets stored in MongoDB through the MongoDB MCP server. The farmers see the result instantly on the map with the color-coded marks and team and count showing each detection of the spices and the area. If weeds are found, the user clicks to schedule the treatment. The agent then plans the optional drone route and check the weather windows and verify and calculate exact cost in the cost as per the currently like as per the country's currency, and then the user approves it, and then the drone is dispatched automatically. So now I have saved an location. So this is my native location. So I have saved it. So you can see here, we have some lands and we have cultivated some of the plants. So let me click here and let me plant. So, so I'm confirming the pin. So the farm mind multi-agent executes a pipeline. So here you can see the live satellite imagery synced and long to be registered and successfully. And then you can see the entire area around it, which markers the weeds and everything. So you can see the north plot, which weeds detect. Actually, like we have planted the weeds and rice. So in the east side, you can see the rice was there. So let me go into here and imagery process also you can click for a plan drone path. So as of now, our future feature is to add the drone path. So I have added it, but currently we are using the satellite imagery only. So you can see the satellite composer integration. So you can directly add everything and you can calibrate and analyze and you can just export it. So plan the drone path. So you can see the estimated amount, how it's cost. So the every single action is logged for compliance on the treatment history page. So you can see the history page. The farmers can see all the past treatment with the volume, discharged and covered area duration and the total cost. The stats at the top shows complete delivery and more money saved compared to plant spending and the flight safety margin. So now let's move to the compliance log. So in compliance log is a digital audit trial. So every scans and every treatment and every inventory change is logged with a unique compliance ID. So you can see it and the field, and this is fully certificated for Indian organic and NPOP standards. The farmers can search logs, farmers or their relative, like their sons or like anyone. So they can search log or export everything to the CSV files. So you can see it will be directly downloaded as a CSV file for auditory, uh, for ML observation. So this is for agent. So where we have integrated Azure like the MCP one. So you can see the model accuracy and predictor logs and the drift flags and field B and field C and field A. The percentage and the verified everything it will be shown over here. So it will be able like the drift status and it will show whether it is stable or not. And you can also see the image and the color pattern and everything, the weather context, everything. So now let me explain the tech behind this. So we have used Google Gemini as a brain of the agent. Gemini analyzes satellite images and detects problems and the plan treatment. We integrate MongoDB through the MCPs to store all field data and detection and the treatment and the compliance logs. And MongoDB flexible Sigma handles everything from a geographically like a coordinator to time series scan data perfectly. We also integrate Aziz for ML observation and every prediction Gemini makes its log to Aziz with a confidence issue. Over time, Aziz like tracks whether those predictions are correct and monitor for the model drift. So ensure our AI stays accurate and trustworthy. So the workflow is simple. The agent prevails through the satellite imagery and reasons with Gemini AI and plans treatment with a cost optimization, acts through autonomous drone dispatch after an user approval and learns from every season to recommendation. So this is not a chatbot or something. This is an autonomous agent that actually works from satellites to ground. So we are like our first plan is to make the FarmMind as a big product to the worldwide user. So FarmMind cuts pesticide use by 90% and save thousands of cost per season and generate complete compliance records automatically. So currently, we have used Firebase for authentication, and as you can see, our MongoDB cluster where the MCP will send the data. Cross connection cluster. So you can see the clip DB, which I've shown before, and the admin and the farm mine data and the local and the simple impacts. You can see like lots of data over here. And yeah, thank you for giving me this opportunity. And also, I have pushed the whole code to GitHub, and you can see the full in-depth readme file with the architecture diagram and the partner integration and the code implementation. And what are the Google products we have used? Like we have used Gemini, App Engine, Cloud Run, Cloud Storage, Vertex AI, BigQuery, and Map Platform, and OAuth 2.0. Yep. Thank you for giving me this opportunity to build this amazing project.